Hey, I've got a really quick video to share with you about how to get an instant eye lift. So if you have a look at my face, I've got nothing all over it apart from just around my eye area here. I've got an instant eye lift kit with a primer and it just makes such a huge difference. I'm going to do the other eye just to show you how easy it is. So I'm starting off with Lid Lift Enhance and I'm going to use it to conceal a bit of darkness underneath my eye, and then veins and darkness on my lid. Less is more, so you just need a tiny amount, and I'm patting it in very, very gently right into the corners. This is a huge seller, often sells out, but I've got massive amount of stock at the moment, so don't worry about panic buying. And we do have a 2-week money back guarantee, so it's really easy for you to try, and if it's not for you, you can send it back and get a full refund. But I've just wanted to show you how amazing it works and just how easy it is to do, because we've all got better things to do with our time than spend time doing lots and lots of makeup. So I'm 45 and my eyes are slightly hooded, and as I've got older they just seem to look more and more tired. So we created the instant eye lift kit because our customers asked for it, and we've got a special offer on the website on the instant eye lift kit. So this is the brow gel called code MBD. Now it's not just any old brow gel. So this brow gel tints your brows. So if you've got greys coming through, your brows have started to go thinner and finer, this will really make a difference. So already you can see that I'm starting to look a little bit more equal to the other side. Now I'm going to use the Dream Team Lash Kit. So code FFL Forget Fake Lashes, award-winning primer. It lifts the lashes, it coats them, it conditions them. Looks really messy on the brush and you think, is that really going to work, Sarah? But obviously you can see it on this eye. And I'm now going to apply it on this side just so you can see how easy it is. Under 5 minutes I do my makeup in the morning. I've got nothing on the rest of my face. In fact, I'm going to use the concealer in a minute on the rest of my face so you can see just how easy it is to ditch foundation with the product as well. So multitasking, lots and lots of uses. Award-winning, vegan, cruelty-free. Most of our customers are 40 plus. And we're really well known for making products that actually do what they promise. I think that's what we're probably most well known for. Emma and I are sisters that own the business. We're Welsh. Everything is made in the UK and Italy mainly. Some are made in Germany, but all in the EU, and nothing is made in China. So I'm using VLM over the top, so it's the same old school brush with wide gaps between the bristles. Again, it looks dry and messy on the brush. That is perfect. That's how it gets the results that it does. And I'm just getting it to the root, wriggling it back and forth and twist and roll, and just, well, you can see for yourself, the difference is pretty instant. Right, let me get this Lid Lift Enhanced Concealer on the rest of my face. So you can see I've got some redness on my chin, around my nose area. I've got some age spots over here. Now this is what I've just put on my eyelids. Now a lot of our customers are ditching foundation, especially for spring, summer, when you want a really nice light look. And they are using Lid Lift Enhanced just where you need it. Veins, pigmentation, rosacea, dark circles. It's absolutely fantastic to cover all of those things very easily. I don't like wearing lots of makeup, and I think a lot of our customers are really into this quick and easy routine in the morning to make themselves look wide awake and vibrant and feel naturally vibrant every day. So there you go, I've used it as a concealer all over, super fast, and you can already see there that it's covered what I need it to cover for the day, and then I could do the rest of my makeup if I wanted to put some blush. But usually I just put a coat of LIP, very natural lip intense plumper, and I'm raring to go.